Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the auto shutdown relay is located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. These have a feature that if the computer senses something it doesn't like, it'll just shut the vehicle off and keep it from starting. So I'm going to show you where that relay is located. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps me out a lot. So this relay is under the hood, so we need to pop our hood. So we're going to open this fuse box right here. We pinch these two tabs and lift. And then this right here has a diagram on the back to show you where things are located. It's going to tell you that this is the auto shutdown relay. On the back of the lid here it says ASD, auto shutdown. So this is the relay that you're looking for right here. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.